Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar, TAI VERDES. If you follow me here on Gordon Guitar, you heard him before. So this time we have a song called Sandman, alright? So very easy to handle, play this song actually. We have pretty much different chord progressions, and that's it. No need for any cape on this one, we're going clean, and let's take a look at the chords. We have the A minor 7 here, so that is open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. D minor, so that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. We have G next, so that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. C, so that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And then we have finally the E minor, so that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. So we have pretty much one chord progression mostly here in this song, perhaps 85–90% of the song, and the strumming here will be played through the entire song. So you need to look at the strumming first. A minor 7, that's the starting point here. So let's learn the strumming with that chord. Grab that one. And one strumming around will be down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap. And after final clap, you have a small pause, and then it continues again. So like this. All right. So down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap, pause, and then again the next round. Down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap, down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap. And in standard tempo, a couple rounds to get the feeling for the rhythm goes like this. It's very addicting, that's why I have hard times to stop. But anyway, we need to go on here. That's the strumming pattern. Let's look at the chord progression. Like I said, one is very dominant here, and that will be one strumming round per chord in this order: A minor 7, D minor, G, and C. So A minor, D minor, G, and C. Again. Then we have post choruses, and this is where it differs a little bit. For example, at 1 minute and 25 seconds into the song, we have one of them, and the lyrics, "Do you know that I can make your dreams come true?" So from there on, you're gonna play same strumming, one strumming around per chord. Now the chords are D minor to G to E minor to A minor 7. That chord progression you play for 2 rounds. So D minor, G, E minor, and A minor 7. Again. And then back to basic. And that's how I handle TAI VERDES Sandman. Nice song to play on guitar, fits guitar very well, and yeah, give it a try, guys. If you like this tutorial, please let me know and subscribe to this channel. You help me out a lot with that, and you give me motivation to see the channel grow. So love your support, guys, and till next time, play tuned.